In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync contacts, birthdays, and special events into a Google Calendar. This is a fantastic way to never miss a special occasion and keep your schedule organized. We'll go through each step to ensure you get everything set up perfectly. First, open a web browser and navigate to calendar.google.com. This is where you can access your Google Calendar, and it's essential for showing birthdays once we've synced them from your contacts. Once you're on your calendar, look at the panel on the left side of your screen. Here you'll see an option labeled birthdays. Make sure this checkbox is checked. Enabling this setting ensures that your calendar can display birthday events. This step is crucial because if the birthdays option is not selected, even synced birthdays will not appear on your calendar. Now we need to move over to Google Contacts, open a new tab, and head over to contacts.google.com. This is where you manage all your personal contacts and can add, delete, or update information. Once you're on Google Contacts, you'll find an option on the left-hand side that says Create Contact. Click that button to start adding a new contact. This section is also where you can manage details for existing contacts, including adding birthdays. A small window will pop up, and you'll want to select Create a Contact. Now it's time to start filling in the necessary details. Enter the name of your contact in the field provided. Having accurate information here helps ensure the birthday appears correctly on your calendar. With the first name entered, proceed to type in the last name. Remember, the more complete the contact information, the better it will display across Google services. Next, it's important to look for the small option called Highlight while you're still filling out contact information. Selecting this option can help keep your contact information organized and easy to find later on. With the basic information entered, scroll down the page until you locate the section specifically for birthdays. This is where the magic happens. In the designated slots, carefully add the month, day, and year of birth for your contact. This detail is what Google Calendar will use to show birthdays on the correct dates. After entering all the contact information, including the birthday, click on Save. Saving ensures that all the entered information is committed to your Google Contacts, and this is what gets shared to your Google Calendar. Now return to your Google Calendar. You'll need to refresh the page to allow the new data to load. Once your calendar is refreshed, you'll see your contact's birthday appear on the appropriate date. Every birthday that you've saved to your contacts will now automatically show up on your calendar, keeping you prepared and informed for any upcoming special celebrations. And that's it, you've successfully synced your contacts' birthdays to your Google Calendar, ensuring you never miss an important date again.